Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a autumn greeting card to share with you. I picked 2 pieces of watercolor paper and primed them with gesso. And now I go in with my Mijello Mission Gold watercolors. I'm just playing intuitively and add the colors that I think that will look good. I used gesso on the paper because I want to avoid that the paint sinks into the watercolor paper immediately, so that I can use this technique to create 2 backgrounds. When the backgrounds are dry, I use some white acrylic paint and apply it with my finger. I just add it randomly here and there. I add some white and some copper splatters. When my background is dry, I stamp my main image with the Tim Holtz stamp platform. I use a stamp from Rubber Dance. It's from the carved Whimsey wood stamp set, and you will find a free shipping code to the Rubber Dance online store in the description box. After I've stamped the tree, I use a postage frame to cut it out. I stamp a sentiment to the bottom right corner and mount it to a cut base. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye!